Yun, so nandito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong problem. This is problem number 5 in hydraulics chapter 1, the properties of fluids. Okay, so solve natin itong problem number 5. The kinematic viscosity of oxygen at 20 degrees centigrade and the pressure of 150 kilopascal in absolute pressure is 0.104 stroke. Actually, this is stroke, ano? Determine the dynamic viscosity of the oxygen at this temperature and pressure. Okay, solution is, alam naman natin that the kinematic viscosity is ang tawag dito is nu. Nu. Nu in the ata to is sa Greek letters, Greek alphabet. Tapos ito naman is, this is a mu, that is the absolute viscosity. Okay, so this is ito naman yung density. Yung density pa din natin. Okay, so what are the given? So given tayo ng kinematic viscosity na tama ba ito? Stokes ba yan or stroke? So tama, Stoke. Okay, so tama siya, Stoke. So, 0. So, kailangan natin siya i-convert. Yung 1 stoke is equal to 10 or 1 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter squared seconds per second. That is in the book or in the book, ano. Tapos, so, syempre, yung kinematic viscosity natin, magiging ganyan na siya. Times 10 raised to negative 4 in this unit na. Okay? So, ano lang natin yung unit ito. Tapos, kailangan natin itong 259.8 joules. So, this is the ideal gas constant ng ng oxygen. Kasi yung pinag-uusapan natin dito is the oxygen. So, ito naman yung constant natin sa ideal gas constant sa oxygen. So, take note nyo yan, Tapos, yung temperature natin, that is 20 degrees plus 272. Kailangan natin siyang maging Kelvin. Okay. So, paano ba natin ipapasok itong formula? So, kailangan muna natin yung formula na PRT. Okay, kasi meron tayong pressure. So, this would be our pressure. And this is our Rankine. And this is our ideal gas constant. And this is our temperature. Para makompute natin yung density. Para ito given, makukuha natin to. So, ito na lang yung hahanapin natin. That is the dynamic viscosity or the absolute viscosity na. Okay? So, yun. Pasok natin times 10 raised to 3 kasi naka-kilopascal tayo. So, no need to convert na to sa absolute kasi naka-absolute value, naka-absolute pressure na to. Okay, 259.8. Yun, pasok lang natin yung formula. So, masosolve natin that is 1.9705 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay? So, ito, gamitin na natin to ngayon kasi masosolve na. So, this is our kinematic viscosity. Ito na yon, diba? Ito yun. Ito siya dito. Tapos, unknown to yun. Ito yung hinahanap natin. So, our density is ito. So, magiging ganyan yung ating, or Pascal seconds to, Pascal seconds. I don't know if paano nangyari yun sa units, pero dapat daw yung unit niya is Pascal seconds, or ganito yung unit niya. So, that is 2.0494 times 10 raised to negative 5. So, yun yung ating pagsusolve dito sa kinematic viscosity or sa viscosity. Dalawa kasi yan. Yung kinematic viscosity at saka yung viscosity. Ito yung absolute viscosity. Yun.